As the 2024-2025 Betway Premiership campaign winds down, AmaZulu FC head coach Arthur Zwane has weighed in on the end-of-season accolades, naming his picks for the league's top individual honours. While just 4 teams, including Orlando Pirates and SuperSport United, are yet to wrap up their season, most clubs concluded their campaigns this past weekend. Lesotho ended theirs with a spirited 1-1 draw against Buccaneers at Moses Mabhida Stadium on Saturday. Speaking in his final post-match press conference of the season, Zwane threw his support behind Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso for the prestigious Coach of the Season award. Cardoso, who took over from Manqoba Mngqithi midway through the season, guided the Tshwane Giants to an 8th consecutive league title, an unprecedented feat in South African football. He said the Coach of the Season will always be a tricky one, but obviously there are rules that bind everyone. If the coach of Sundowns was in charge for 70% of the season, then it belongs to him. It's as simple as that. You win the league, you are the coach of the season. Cardoso, who was at the helm for 21 of Sundowns' 30 league matches, just above the Premier Soccer League's 70% eligibility threshold, steered the Brazilians with a calm and clinical approach, solidifying their dominance at the summit. And since Sundowns won the league with so many points, you've got to give credit to their technical team, the coaches and all the players. They deserve it. When it came to naming his footballer of the season, Zwane was torn between two standouts: Orlando Pirates breakout star Relebohile Mofokeng and Sundowns Brazilian maestro Lucas Ribeiro. While he lauded the 19-year-old Mofokeng for carrying the weight of expectation at a club as massive as Pirates, Zwane ultimately leaned toward Ribeiro, citing his consistency and impact in Sundowns' title charge, and said, "I think you have really. He carried Orlando Pirates throughout the season, but you have Ribeiro. Sundowns won the league, and to be quite honest, it's Ribeiro who must win the Footballer of the Season." However, the former Kaizer Chiefs player and coach had high praise for the teenage sensation, and said, "Really, as a young star, doing what he did this season, carrying out a giant on his shoulders, I think it was amazing. We need players like him." With the award season around the corner, Zwane's pick echo what many in South African football circles are already debating: a season of dominance for Sundowns, but a breakout year for the country's next generation. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.